The GM Continuous Protection Plan, an innovative, comprehensive, continuous repair plan. It's an option that could save you money with added protection during and after the GM New Vehicle Limited Warranty. We know how great you feel when you drive your new car home. And because we don't want that feeling to change, we're offering the GM Continuous Protection Plan. It takes care of you as well as your car or truck. All new GM cars, light-duty trucks, and vans are eligible when not used for commercial purposes. The plan goes beyond GM's New Vehicle Limited Warranty and gives you mechanical and electrical protection for a total of 36 months or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. The plan includes rental reimbursement provisions, towing and road service expense provisions. Here's how the plan works. The Continuous Protection Plan takes care of your car or truck because it pays for repair or replacement of most parts of 9 major assemblies, including the engine, transmission, front or rear drive axles, steering, front suspension, brakes, electrical system, and factory-installed air conditioner. There's a small charge of $25 per covered repair. The plan takes care of you by eliminating concerns about how and where to get your car or truck repaired. Should your vehicle require repair or replacement of any of the assemblies covered by the plan, simply bring it to our dealership or to another GM dealer in the USA or Canada, or to a service outlet of your choice. During the warranty period, if your car or truck becomes inoperable and is kept in the dealership service department overnight or longer for work covered by the plan or by the GM New Vehicle Limited Warranty, there's an expense provision for a rental car of up to $15 a day to a maximum of $75 per occurrence. After warranty, the rental reimbursement applies when your vehicle must be kept overnight, provided the repairs are covered by the plan. During the warranty period, a towing and road service allowance of up to $25 is available for any disablement of your vehicle, including such causes as running out of fuel, dead battery, lost keys, and flat tire. After the warranty period, until the expiration of the plan, the allowance applies when your car or truck is disabled because of a failure of a covered part. When you enroll, you'll receive a personal identification card, which lists a toll-free number for reporting trouble from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., 7 days a week. At this number, you'll get service instructions on what to do and the dealer service locations nearest you. Handling the bills is simple. When needed repairs are performed by a GM dealer, simply pay the $25 deductible, and the balance of your bill will automatically be sent to General Motors for payment. Repairs can also be performed at other service outlets with prior approval from GM. And when GM pays the bills, there's no red tape. So you can count on fast, smooth, and efficient claims handling. When you purchase the GM Continuous Protection Plan, we want you to understand exactly what you're getting. So your service contract clearly describes what is covered and what is not. And GM stands behind it. If you buy the Continuous Protection Plan when you buy your new GM car or truck and later wish to cancel, you may do so within 60 days and get a full refund, provided you've had no claims under the plan. This way you can review the option closely and be completely satisfied that the plan is a good value. We're convinced you'll find owning the plan one of the smartest options you ever bought. Your salesperson can give you the full details. The GM Continuous Protection Plan. It takes care of you as well as your car, as well as your light-duty truck, as well as your van.